Production incidents are hard to practice safely. Incident zero lets engineers practice investigating, diagnosing, and recovering from realistic incidents. I'll start with an API regression. The telemetry is simulated scenario data, while the incident response workflow runs at runtime. I'll start with the metrics, then spike in the error rate and the latency show when the incident began. Then I inspect the logs to understand what went wrong. Then I review the recent deployment and connect the regression to a SWIG release. As I investigate, the system discover evidence based on the actions I actually take. With the evidence collected, I declare the root cause, cite the evidence supporting my decision. For this incident, the correct mitigation is rolling back the bad deployment. After mitigation, recovery happens over time. The metrics move back towards baseline, and the service must remain stable before the incident can be closed. The final performance score is deterministic. Gemini cannot calculate or change the score. Instead, Gemini 2.5 Flash through Vertex AI analyzes my investigation history and provides a personalized post-incident coaching. AI provides qualitative feedback while grading remains predictable and testable. Now I'll try the medium scenario. This demonstrates that incident zero isn't one hard-coded incident flow. The same engine now presents three services and different telemetry. Here I'm investigating a database connection exhaustion. I inspect the logs and metrics to collect evidence. Then I switch services and investigate the database itself. The evidence shows the connection pool is saturated and the logs reveal the key change. The connection pool limit was reduced from 100 to 20. So unlike the first incident, this isn't caused by a bad deployment. The root cause is a database configuration change. The mitigation is different too. Instead of rolling back a deployment, I restore the connection pool limit to 100. The same recovery engine now tracks the service as its metrics returns towards the normal baseline. Recovery doesn't complete immediately after the fix. The service has to remain stable before the incident can be closed. The same deterministic scoring evaluates how I investigated and responded to the incident, and Gemini provides the qualitative coaching without influencing that score. The application itself was developed using Kiro's spec-driven workflow. I started with requirements, design, and implementation tasks for the first playable vertical slice. As the project evolved, I used another Kiro spec to extend the original implementation into the multi-scenario architecture you just saw. Incident Zero helps engineers practice incident response before facing a real incident.